Okay guys, welcome back to Lucas Garage for another video. We're gonna do today on our Supercharger Dodge Challenger SRT 8 6.4 liter HEMI with the ProCharger. We're gonna do an oil change for the engine and for the ProCharger too. So for those people who doesn't know, or for those people that are new on the Supercharger ProCharger system, I'm gonna explain you step by step how to do it on the ProCharger. It's easy and don't be afraid to do it. And for now, we're gonna be focused on how to do the oil change on the engine. Many people knows already, other people doesn't know. So we're gonna do that, and we're gonna use this oil mobile one, and the weight is gonna be 15 by 50, full synthetic, and that's the oil filter, and that's the part number just in case you need it. And this is the ProCharger oil we want to use. So this is the ProCharger oil, and that is the part number just in case you need it. I bought it directly from ProCharger, so it's gonna be there. So that I have a unit. The ProCharger unit is P1SD1, that's mine, and this one can be used in a different models as well. So we're gonna do that. I'm gonna try to explain my best step by step how to do it. Let's go over there. We're gonna use two jack stands. Put the oil here and go from there, guys. So we're gonna use a 13 millimeter. I'm gonna use it here in the oil pan. It's gonna be there. We're gonna remove the bolt. Oil is gonna comes out, and that's the oil filter right here. So it's easy on this 6.4 liter. So let's go do that. I'm gonna set up the camera so you guys can see it better. So let's get it. Put it back. Just put it with the hand first. I have to go freely like that, and we're gonna tighten it right now. We don't wanna over torque or anything, just be gentle, okay? Like that. So let's go to remove the oil filter. Let's go put this here. So now let's go to pre-oil the new oil filter. So the reason we wanna pre-oil the oil filter is because when the car starts, cannot start dry. You know what I mean? So let's put it back in the oil filter in. Just push it. So again, you don't have to over torque it. Just clean it to see later on if it's dripping oil or something like that. So that's pretty much. I put the oil filter back in. I just tied it with my hands. I clean it to see later if it's dripping oil. I hope not, but I don't think so. But I put the drain oil plug back. So before putting more, before putting the new oil to the engine, we're gonna drain the Supercharger ProCharger oil. So now to change the oil from the ProCharger, we're gonna remove this screw right here so more airflow can go. And SRT will work inside this easy, quick oil drain hose right here. So it's connected here to the ProCharger. I don't know if you guys can see it. The thing go like this way, and that's the end of it. So we're gonna remove this, and oil gonna come. So that's gonna be easy. So there you have it, guys. So now we're gonna set this thing over here. So now while we're waiting for the ProCharger oil getting out of the ProCharger system, we're gonna put the engine oil. Put it here in this. The drain plug for the ProCharger. Now we're gonna put the oil over here. I'm gonna show you real quick how to put the oil on the ProCharger system. So every time you order the Supercharger oil from ProCharger, it comes with this, and this is gonna help you out a lot to pour the oil on the system. So I find out this one is sealed. You have to cut it a little bit with this. So we cut it and open the hole, and it's look like that. So it takes the entire bottle. So just weigh. So my advice for you guys, do not throw away this cap because you're gonna need it for the next oil change. So what I recommend to do is put this red thing over here. That's it. And so now you can put this stick here and check out the oil, so you can store this away for the next time. Now let's go check out the oil, how we are. And we are good. I don't know if you can see on the camera, but we are good. So we have clean oil on the ProCharger and we have clean oil on the engine. So that's it, guys. That's for today's video. Thank you for watching, and that's the way to do the oil change on the engine and on the ProCharger system.